Decluttering is surprisingly simple. Here's why. No extreme minimalism. Raise your hand if you've ever spent 20 minutes searching for your keys, only to find them buried under a mountain of mail, half-empty coffee mugs, and a sweater you forgot you owned. Yeah, me too. But here's the kicker. The average person wastes 2.5 days a year just looking for lost items. What if I told you decluttering isn't about tossing everything you own or living in a sterile white room? It's about creating space for your stuff, your sanity, and your life. And guess what? You can start in just 20 minutes. Decluttering feels overwhelming because we've been sold a lie, that it requires Marie Kondo-level obsession or a dumpster-sized commitment. Newsflash. You don't need to love sparking joy or swear off shopping forever. All you need is 3 stupidly simple steps that work even if you're currently side-eyeing that miscellaneous drawer full of charging cords and expired coupons. Let's turn chaos into clarity. No extreme minimalism required. Step 1. Tackle one corner at a time. Forget the whole house. Seriously. Trying to declutter everything at once is like vowing to run a marathon without shoes. Start with one corner, your desk, the kitchen counter, or even that infamous junk drawer. Set a timer for 20 minutes and ask, does this belong here? Do I use it? Does it make my life easier? If not, goodbye. If yes, give it a home. Not a pile, a home. Pro tip, if you're stuck, picture a friend asking, why do you keep this? Brutal honesty works wonders. Step 2. The 12-12-12 challenge. Play a game. The 12-12-12 challenge is decluttering for people who hate decluttering. Here's how it works. Find 12 items to toss, broken, expired, or why do I even have this? Then 12 to donate, things someone else could love. Finally, 12 to return to their rightful place. That's 36 items gone or organized in under an hour. It's like Tetris for your life, minus the stress. Bonus, you'll feel so accomplished, you might even want to tackle another corner. Maybe. Step 3. Digitize paper clutter. Slay the paper monster. Bills, receipts, school forms. They multiply like gremlins after midnight. Grab your phone and download a free scanner app. Spend 10 minutes a week scanning anything you don't need physically. Shred the rest. For sentimental stuff, kids' drawings, love letters, keep a single memory box, not a storage unit. Trust me, your future self will thank you when tax season rolls around and you're not excavating a paperwork avalanche. Let's recap. 1. Start small. One corner, 20 minutes. 2. Play the 12-12-12 game. Toss, donate, relocate. 3. Digitize paper, because nobody needs 14 copies of their phone bill. Clutter isn't just stuff, it's decision fatigue, stress, and lost time. But today, you've got the tools to take back control. If this helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you're ready to ditch the chaos. Subscribe for more no BS life upgrades. Until then, your keys are on the kitchen counter. You got this.